Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and Christmas time is here, so I want to share with you this vlog. Yes, it's a little bit about Vlogmas, and let's include it a little bit in decor the Christmas tree. So let's jump into it. Hola mi gente latina, hoy vamos a limpiar un poquito y a organizar y armar nuestro árbol de Navidad porque ya estamos casi en Navidad. And the first thing I'm gonna do is turn my candle because I love all the house be Christmas ready. So it's a cranberry candle, so it's amazing. So let's gonna find our tree this year. And first is the first. I'm gonna take those beans that I found some in Amazon and others in Target. I'm gonna leave the link down below, and I'm gonna begin keeping the pillows that I get this year, the one I use it because I got more and different colors. So here downstairs, the rooms upstairs is Christmas already, and yes, and I'm selecting all my pumpkins, and the porcelain ones go apart in another clear bin, and the ones for outside and the ones can suffer any damage go apart. So good option, use those bins. I recommend it so much. So now let's go to the main focus in this video, that is let's gonna put a Christmas tree. Just gonna ensemble it, and let's see if I can do it because I like to do it when my husband is here and we're both doing. So I'm trying to put in this and finding the little things go there. Estoy tratando de poner el árbol yo sola, pero siempre me gusta cuando hay un hombre en la casa que pueda ayudar, porque a veces es como complicado. Entonces les cuento que ya armé el árbol arriba y otros árboles, y ahora estoy armando este año. Voy a armar dos acá abajo, no sé. Y les voy a dejar el link abajo donde conseguí los árboles. So this year I plan to put 2 trees, and I'm gonna leave you the link in the description where I found them so you can get them. They're super affordable and they're so beautiful, guys. This year, yes, I say I want 2 trees downstairs, and I already made my upstairs tree, so, and the bedroom tree. So that's it. I'm trying to put it, they like 6.5 feet, I think, or 7, I don't remember good. So it's ensemble. I love my baby. He was playing and having so fun. Christmas is about it. And look how, look, it turns so good, and it's open. If you want to vlog more. And this is the other tree I was talking about in the other corner. I open as well. So guess what? It's Christmas and my hot cocoa Karbglam can miss this year. So I'm gonna bring the recipe soon. I need to set that cocoa bar. Talking about cocoa bar, let's gonna talk about it. Buy some candies, and you see all the selection that I have here, and my panettone that can't miss. I love breakfast with this Italian panettone every day, every single day with hot cocoa. And so let's gonna serve a little snack to my baby because he already get breakfast, and we are in Christmas mood already. So he enjoy when I'm eating, he want as well. You know what is cocoa? It says raining. Yes, and now we got energy, so let's gonna jump into it to ensemble this Christmas tree. So yes, today is day number 2, and I like to do my Christmas decors. It's like a little time, take apart a time at night for open the tree, and the next day just decor. So easy, the little tips for you guys. So the first thing we're gonna need is this ribbon that I found in Michael's. It's like fussy because the theme that I choose was Wonderland, so Winter Wonderland, and so I came using so much white, the snow effects, icicles, and you're gonna see. So first the person was gonna cut our fluffy garland, and I found Michael as well. So let's gonna begin with this. And when I was stepping this ladder, that remember me my favorite Christmas YouTuber, that is the Millionaire House. Guys, she's amazing and she always my inspo every year. I'm waiting for her videos. If she's watching this video, I say, hey Melanie, thank you for being such an inspiring. So yes, I can use the ladder she used, because definitely I can spend all the Christmas at the hospital. And this is the effect we want to create with the snow. Thank you, helper. My baby loves helping me, and that's great. Be involved with your kids to earn the tree. You see the fade I'm talking about? I want that don't look perfect, but look like if the eyes be fading out, so it's perfect. So con esta cinto que estoy usando, lo voy a usar como si fuera nieve, y quiero crear el efecto como que si la nieve se está desvaneciendo o derritiendo por partes. Entonces no tiene que ser perfecto, sino escondido y por fuera. Esto lo conseguí, este cinto, en Michael's, y mi pequeño ayudante siempre pasándome las tijeras. Es bueno que los niños nos ayuden a armar el árbol, estén envueltos en todas estas cositas. Aquí está el primer árbol y le estoy haciendo la parte de atrás, y lo hice en una forma distinta. Quiero que caiga así la nieve. And this is the first tree, and I want the snow fall like in a different weight. So that's perfect. The theme for this tree is Winter Wonderland. So I got those toppers the last year in Michael's as well, and this year I get more like frozen, but I love those because I have like glitter and stuff. So let's go to see if I can do it. Thing that I cannot, I always need the help of my husband. He's told he can help me better. So let's gonna continue with the bowls, and I'm gonna be using, guys, silver bowls, and this is nose in every size, silver. I was trying putting these rose gold bowls, but I didn't like, so I'm gonna put my icicles, and I found this the last year in Hobby Lobby, and this is my favorite ornament. Can't miss in my trees. They get a beautiful effect on your trees, because look like when the icing is fading out, or I don't know. Me encanta poner mucho los pedazos de hielo porque le dan un efecto como si el hielo se estuviera derritiendo, y es fantástico. También voy a usar estos piedras o diamantes que están aquí. También voy a estar usando más nieves, más piedras, muchos diamantes, muchos icicles. And this is my special ornament this year, and is the angel of the house is Joshua. And something important we do, and it's our tradition, is put all our important ornaments by year. And this is 2017, Joshua born, when we visit this country, this state, and the last year one when we bought the house. So every year had a special theme and we put it together in our trees. So it's so good. Look at this beautiful owl. I got this for 2 years though. And these beautiful reindeers I found this year in Walmart. Interesting. I love reindeers so much. So estos reindeers los encontré en Walmart. Y otra cosa que dije es que siempre ponemos una cosa interesante, un adorno interesante cada año, y es la tradición familiar. En el 2017 nació Joshua y así vamos poniendo todas las tradiciones de los años. Y aquí vamos para el segundo árbol. This is the second tree. And this is important, guys, because I was thinking about winter. All the house winter, white and snowy. But I make a survey in my Instagram, and the people choose the both. They like the rose gold and they like winter. So I say, why not? And I'm gonna please my Instagrammer, my Glammies, my audience, and I'm gonna do the both trees. Bueno, hice una encuesta en Instagram para ver qué tema, porque no estaba segura. Quería hacer todo de nieve, pero allá les gustó los dos. Les gustó en rosado y les gustó el tema del frosting. Entonces dije, ¿por qué no complacerlos y hacer los dos temas? Entonces aquí tengo los toppers que los encontré también en Michael's. I found the toppers in Michael's. And those things rose gold I got from the last year that I found. And if you want to see this video, I'm gonna link down below so you can see my decor. My Christmas tree decor from the last year was rose gold. So I got a lot of rose gold stuff to use. Yes, it's gonna pass to here is it's night time and my baby is ready. I'm making a spot for him and he's reading and enjoy his Christmas books, Christmas stories books. He's having so much fun. And here me completing the tree, because I saw was like it has to my holes and needed to be like fluffier. So I'm gonna put more balls and more ornaments. So yes, I found these beautiful pair of balls are big logs for six a packet of 4. And my beautiful ornaments, look the top, how beautiful the snow is falling. Look how everything looks so beautiful, so wintry. Yes, I like the results. Me encantó el resultado final. Al último le puse más bolas, más adornos, y creo que quedó bien. Y lo que me encuentre por ahí lo sigo poniendo. Este árbol nunca se llena. And it's ready to go with my team wintering. Y miren cómo cae la nieve de arriba. Es el efecto que usamos. Y sí, abajo del árbol tengo una decoración bien bonita. And this is the second tree, guys, and it turns so beautiful as well. Este es el segundo árbol y quedó muy lindo también el color que escogieron mis Glammies, que fue el rose gold. Y esta esquina siempre es de mi bebé jugar, así que le puse unos cosos, le compré este basket de Navidad, cuentos que ya tenía el año pasado y quedó muy lindo. So this is my baby area, so I changed the bean. I get a Christmas bean and his toys on it and his stories that you see already he was enjoying. So guys, like this I ending this night and every winter cozy nice. So I hope you have enjoyed the video and have some inspo. And if you did it, definitely you should leave me a big thumbs up and leave your comments, share the video with all your friends. Y chicos, si les gustó este video y quieren seguir viendo videos así, no se olviden de darle like, de comentar y de compartir con todos sus amigos, chicos. Yes, that is all. So good night, guys.